Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete browsing history on Temu app. So if you also want to delete browsing history on Temu app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Temu application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Temu application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So in order to delete the browsing history, what you have to do is go to your profile interface. For that, look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find the options like home, categories, you and cart. Simply tap on the you option that you can see at the third. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find several options like your orders, messages. Right below it, you'll be able to find the options like reviews, history, addresses and following. Simply tap on the history option that you can see at the second. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to your browsing history interface. You'll be able to see all of your browsing history over here. Unfortunately, there is no option for deleting all the browsing history, but what you can do is delete the browsing history one by one. You'll be able to see the items that you've browsed over here. At the bottom right corner of the item, you'll be able to find three dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like find similar and delete over here. Simply tap on the delete option that you can see on the screen. After that, you can see over here that item will be deleted. Simply repeat the same process for other items that you want to delete. If you want to delete the entire browsing history, go ahead and follow the same process for all the items in your browsing history. After that, your browsing history will be deleted. So that is how you delete browsing history on Temu app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.